Have you ever wondered how to make your bank account grow without sacrificing your precious study time? Stick around, because we're diving deep into the ultimate guide on how to earn money online for students. Number 1. Freelancing. Alright, picture this. You got mad skills in writing, programming, editing, snapping killer photos, or rocking some awesome designs. Ever thought about turning those talents into cold hard cash online? Well, you totally can, my friend. So first things first, sign up as a freelancer on cool platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Truelancer. Once you're in, it's showtime. Start flaunting your skills like a rock star and attract potential clients who are dying to get a taste of what you bring to the table. Now let's talk requirements. Spoiler alert, if you've got a skill that people would pay for, you're golden. Sure, there might be a teeny tiny registration fee on some platforms, but think of it as an investment in your future awesomeness. The burning question: how much moolah can you rake in? Well, my friend, that depends on the magic you're bringing to the table and how much hustle you're ready to put in. The more gigs you take on, the more cha-ching in your pocket. But here's the real kicker. Can you turn this into a full-time gig? Absolutely. Depending on your hustle and the demand for your skills, freelancing could be your ticket to ditching the 9-to-5 grind and working on your own terms. Number 2. Start tutoring online. We've got a fantastic gig that's not only fun but also pays the bills, and maybe even funds your next gaming binge. So imagine this. You're a student, soaking in all this amazing knowledge every day, right? Now, what if I told you that you could turn that brain and brilliance into some serious online moolah? Yep, you heard it right. Let's talk about the awesome world of online tutoring. Picture this. You rocking the virtual classroom, dropping knowledge bombs on eager minds. Whether you want to help school kids ace their exams or adults pick up a cool new skill, it's all within your grasp. And here's the kicker. All you need is a speedy internet connection and a passion for sharing what you know. Now you've got options. You could hop on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Coursera and join the tutoring revolution there. Or, if you're feeling bold, why not spread the word on social media? Imagine your face popping up on Instagram stories, inviting friends and relatives to join your epic online classes. And here's the scoop on the investment. It's minimal. Just a bit of time to polish up those teaching skills, and you're good to go. Easy peasy, right? Now I know what you're thinking. How much can I rake in from this genius move? Well, my friend, that depends on your brain power and the cool stuff you're teaching. We're talking $20, $50 per hour. Cha-ching. Now here's the real plot twist. Is this just a side hustle, or can you turn it into a full-blown career? Well, my savvy friend, tutoring might not be your 9-to-5 dream job, but you can totally keep it in your pocket as a part-time gig. Or, if you're a tutoring wizard, why not explore teaching gigs in your field of study? Number 3. Find data entry jobs. Let's dive into the world of earning moolah without spending a dime. The magic of data entry jobs. Imagine making cash in your paydays with the ultimate flexibility of part-time gigs. Sounds like a dream. Well, it's time to turn that dream into reality. So, how do you get started? Simple. Head over to the cool hangouts of the online job world. Places like Freelancer, Data Plus, Action Data Entry Services, or Guru. These are your virtual hotspots for scoring data entry gigs from companies around the globe. But hey, before you spill the beans on your account details, let's make sure these cyber spots are the real deal. Gotta keep it safe and sound. Now here's the lowdown on what you need. A trusty computer by your side and some ninja skills in Excel and other Microsoft tools. That's it. Can you believe it's that easy? Now let's get to the good stuff. How much cha-ching can you pull in? Brace yourself, because with data entry, you're looking at $30 to $50 per hour. Yup, you heard that right. The cash is real, my friend. But hold up, is this just a one-time deal, or can you keep the gravy train rolling? Well, guess what? Data entry gigs are the rock stars of part-time gigs, so you can totally juggle your studies and still make it rain with the extra bucks. So, who knew that tapping away at your keyboard could turn into a money-making extravaganza? If you're ready to ditch the traditional and dive into the online cash flow, data entry might just be your golden ticket. Number 4. Create a blog. Let's dive into the world of blogging, where making cash is as easy as snapping your fingers. Imagine this. You're the guru of a topic you're passionate about. Why not share your wisdom with the world? Start your own blog and watch the magic happen. You could whip up killer online courses, selling your smarts to eager learners. Or, if you're already rocking a blog niche, why not spice things up by selling digital goodies like guides, templates, and even your very own ebooks? But hey, let's keep it real. Maybe you're thinking, I'm not the product selling type. No worries. Become the ultimate matchmaker as an affiliate marketer. Promote cool products on your site, and every click earns you a sweet commission. The affiliate world is your oyster, with countless networks and companies waiting to team up with you. And here's a pro tip. Make your blog an AdSense sensation. Slap some ads on there, and every click is music to your wallet. It's like getting paid to be effortlessly cool. So what's stopping you from turning your blog into a money-making masterpiece? Number 5. Build websites. In today's digital age, every business is like a superhero in need of a cool cape. And that cape is a killer website. Guess what? You can be the superhero designer they're looking for. No need to be a coding wizard. Thanks to awesome tools like MailChimp, you can whip up a sleek and professional site in no time. But here's the kicker. Don't just start slapping together random websites like a sandwich at midnight. Pick a niche, find your groove, and let your creative juices flow. Imagine having a portfolio filled with jaw-dropping websites that scream, "I'm the real deal." Now, the real magic happens when you hit the streets. Virtually, of course. Market yourself like you're handing out golden tickets to Willy Wonka's chocolate factory. And guess what? You're the ticket master. But hold on, why stop there? Let me hit you with a question. Ever thought about turning your passion into a website-building empire? Imagine waking up, sipping on your favorite drink, and checking your bank balance, all thanks to your website wizardry. Sounds like a plan, doesn't it? So, are you ready to turn pixels into profits? Number 6. Get paid to take surveys. Ever thought about getting paid just for sharing your opinions? No PhD needed, my friends. Say hello to paid surveys, the undercover money-making heroes of the online world. Imagine this. You chilling on your couch, casually answering some questions, and boom, money in your pocket. No kidding. It's like getting paid to spill the tea on your favorite things. Now, check this out. Swagbucks.com. This gem not only hands out cash, but also showers you with gift cards. What's the catch? Well, there isn't one. You can start stacking those gift cards once you get a mere $3 in your account. That's basically the cost of a fancy coffee. But hey, beware of those shady sites lurking in the corners of the internet. We don't want you wasting your time on places that think paying is just a suggestion. So sniff out the legit ones, and you'll be rolling in the rewards. Oh, and if typing is your thing, we've got more tricks up our sleeves. Ever heard of transcribing? It's like turning audio or video into a text goldmine. Fast fingers and basic English skills. That's all you need. It's like getting paid to be a secret agent of words. And guess what? You don't need a resume for this gig. No experience required. It's the job equivalent of finding money in your pocket. Unexpectedly awesome. If you found these tips as game-changing as we did, don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell for more wisdom-packed videos. Remember, the student grind doesn't have to be all ramen noodles and late-night cram sessions. With the right strategies, your financial story can be as epic as your academic journey.